Two-term Lok Sabha MP from Assam, Nabakumar Saranya's nomination for the Kokrajhar parliamentary constituency was cancelled by the returning officer today. Earlier on Thursday, the Guwahati High Court had declared that Saranya will be ineligible to contest from Kokrajhar ST seat. The court had dismissed a petition challenging an order which cancelled the ST certificates issued to Saranya. The High Court had also passed a judgment that Saranya does not belong to the Boro Kachari, following which the two-time MP submitted nomination as a Rabha. However, his nomination was cancelled by the returning officer today. Saranya won't be able to contest an upcoming Lok Sabha election from Kokrajhar, which goes to polls on 7th of May.
See, Nabakumar Saranya nomination is rejected by the returning officer. So, and the speaking order has been duly passed. Of nominations has been completed. We have 15 validly nominated candidates now, and by tomorrow 3 p.m. till tomorrow 3 p.m. the candidates who are willing to withdraw their nomination can withdraw their nomination. So we are fully prepared to conduct the election in free and fair manner. And since the active campaign will begin tomorrow, so we are strictly monitoring the use of money, muscle, violation of MCC and misinformation.
যে মানে ফ্ৰড কৰি পেলাই চাৰ্টিফিকেট লৈ আছে এইটো আজিৰ তেওঁৰ এই নমিনেশ্যনত ওলাই পৰিল। প্ৰথমে তেওঁ মানে বড়ো কছাৰী হৈ পেলাই চাৰ্টিফিকেট লৈছে, এফিডেভিট দি পেলাই কোৰ্টৰ এফিডেভিট দি পেলাই কৈছে যে মই মানে বড়ো কছাৰীৰ মানুহ। আৰু এতিয়া মানে যেতিয়া নেকি তেওঁৰ বড়ো কছাৰী নহয় বুলি যেতিয়া নেকি ষ্টেট লেভেল স্ক্ৰুটিনি কমিটিয়ে তেওঁৰ চাৰ্টিফিকেটটো কাটি দিলে, তেওঁক মানে বড়ো কছাৰী নহয় বুলি ক'লে, তেতিয়া তেওঁ এতিয়া বুজিবলৈ পালে যে বড়ো কছাৰী হৈ পেলাই তেওঁক আৰু ইলেকশ্যন খেলিব নোৱাৰে। সেইকাৰণে তেওঁ নিজৰ চাৰ্টিফিকেটকে নিজৰ জাতিটোকে সলাই লৈ পেলাই এই মানে ৰাভা আছে এই পেলাই চাৰ্টিফিকেট লৈ পেলাই আকৌ মানে নমিনেশ্যন ফাইল কৰিছিল।